I'm Tom. I'm the operations manager at Richers Transport. We're a company that was established in 1935, so 90 years this year. A typical day for me, really overseeing what's happening in the business, making sure we're servicing all our customers, doing everything in the most efficient way. We have depots in Maryborough, Hervey Bay, Bundaberg, Gympie and Brisbane, and just over 300 trailers. We've been using freighter trailers for over 40 years. We run a lot of B-double combinations, a lot of semi-trailer combination, 48 footers, 45 footers. We've got a couple of drop decks that we do our local brick deliveries on with Moffat Mounties on the back. We really think they're a good brand, good support, and we like the people that work there, I think is the most important part. What makes this product a market leader, I think, is tear weight, but also reliability. It doesn't fail, it doesn't break, we don't fix it. As far as the trailer's concerned, it's a strong trailer, but it's light, and that's important in our game. So currently we're purchasing the trailers through trailer sales. Our customer experience has been second to none. We really appreciate the relationship, and I think we work together to make sure it's working for us and in turn working for them. The features we find good about the trailers is predominantly their tear weight for the strength of the product. They use a two-piece roof rail, and I think with our design, it's the versatility of the product. Another thing we've had a really good run with the latest trailers is BPW suspension. In my opinion, that's top of the range suspension, and I think what makes Freighter Group a standout product is really their people. They're good to work with. I truly believe they want to help us find a solution and sell good trailers. I can't fault the quality and the reliability of the Freighter product. I truly don't think you can find a better trailer on the market.